Okay students, now we'll come to the strawman implant system and we will discuss the components of impression making in strawman system. So this is a cast which has implant analogs. So as you already know that implant analogs are the component that you give along with your impression post to the lab. So this is a lab cast which mimics the oral cavity. So we have narrow collar. So if you can notice, there's a yellow band here. There's a yellow band, so it is color coded. Here there's a purple band, if you can notice here. So this is a regular collar, that means it's a wider diameter implant, and this is a narrow diameter implant. Now in strawman system, these diameters have different impression posts. So I'll come to that. So you can see here, these are the various type of impression posts. So we already have explained to you what are the different type of impression making procedures. We have implant level and abutment level. We have closed tray and open tray. Now these are the closed tray impression posts, and these are your open tray impression posts. How do you identify? By the extension of the screw channel. So you can see we have long screw channels that will project out of the custom tray that you're going to make, and in this closed tray impression post, the screw channels are going to be tiny and it will be within the closed tray impression. So we will start by putting the impression. So now you can see the color codes. I already told you this is narrow collar, so this is also golden in color, so we will put it. Okay, so this is a closed tray impression post that is placed in this cast here. So let us imagine that this is a patient's mouth. So here I have put the narrow collar impression post. You can see the screw channels are all flush with the impression coping. Here the regular collar. Okay, so when you're making an impression, in the previous videos we have already seen what is to be done. We tighten this in the mouth slowly, very firmly, and then we use our stop trays which are there, which will accommodate the entire impression post. Make sure the entire impression, all the impression posts are accommodated within the closed tray impression tray. Then you load it with a tray material, that is a putty of addition silicone, and then the light body in the impression post, and you make an impression. So we've already discussed this in the previous video. So these are your closed tray impression posts. Now we will continue with our open tray. So I'll just explain to you how is it different from a closed tray. So for example, if you have a patient where you do not have all the impression posts, then you can interchange it with closed tray and open tray. So in the areas wherever the closed tray impression can be taken, that area should be with an access hole, and the other areas can be covered with the acrylic. I will give you an example. So in this you can see that we are putting an open tray impression post here. So you can notice that this has come out. Okay, so we'll just see this. We'll keep it here, and in this area I'll just put another open tray impression post. This is a narrow collar. Again, this is all color coded, so you can use. So these screw channels can be 11 mm distance and 21 mm distance. So this is a 21 mm screw, and this is a 11 mm screw. Both are for open tray. So now you use your open tray custom tray that we have made. Okay, so areas where it is closed tray, so in this case now there it is open. Here, since it is a closed tray, you can cover it up with an acrylic or putty material. This area is already covered, and the areas where there is open tray, the screw has to jut out so that you can open it up once the impression is made. So that's the difference between your open tray, and open tray will have much deeper serrations. If you notice, these serrations are deeper, and these are very blunt because this has to be removed easily. So these are deeper ones because we are not removing it from the impression, so it has to be tightly seated into the impression material. Okay, so you also have transfer caps which will be placed on top of this for additional retention. These are your transfer caps, so it will be color coded according to the impression post. So now for your golden one you have yellow color, and then for your regular will be purple, like so on and so forth. So these things, these are your closed tray and open tray impression posts of strawman implant, and this is at the bone level. Now for the next session we will continue with the abutment level.